Right now, we're seeing an interesting spike in the stock market sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.07 and a momentum of plus 0.90. This momentum is notably high compared to our historical baselines, suggesting a strong upward shift in market sentiment that could indicate emerging opportunities. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind this shift. For example, you could use this data to identify sectors benefiting from positive sentiment and strategically adjust your portfolio. To dive deeper into how you can leverage these insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.